In this video, we are going to see the differences between a function and a formula. We are also going to check how to edit functions and how to edit formulas. Finally, we'll move on to using the goto and goto special options. Let's start with a function. Using the previous data, let's say we want to calculate the total values of all of these numbers. All we have to do is to click right beneath it, that is cell C7, and click on the auto sum ribbon right here in the home tab. We click on that and automatically it gives us a function equal sum C1 is to C6. You press enter and that gives you the total value for all of these numbers. This is a function. Let's try to use a formula for the same numbers we have here. Just press equal to, always start a formula with an equal sign. So equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. You can see it's highlighting all of them, plus C4 plus C5 plus C6. Press enter and we get the same amount as we had here. This is a formula and that is a function. So the functions are inbuilt and the formulas were created by ourselves. We created it ourselves. Okay, now let's say we want to edit the formula or edit the function. How do we go about it? There are two ways. You can simply add your editing right here, plus 10, and then press enter and that changes it. Or you can double click it right here and then you add the 10 to it, plus 10. That's it. We can also click on a function and double click it. Do not forget that we also said you can use F2. In this instance, I would like to use F2. So F2 and then I add 10 to it and then that's it. So we can edit our functions right in the cell or edit our functions also in the formula bar. Let's get on to the goto. To use the goto, we get on to our find and select, click on goto. The goto dialog box pops up and currently we are on C8. Let's say I want to move my cursor or my cell from C8 to B1. All I have to do is to type B1 here, press enter, and automatically it moves my cell there. That is what the goto does for us. We can also use the goto option. We can go back to find and select and click goto special, the goto special option. However, this time around, I would like to use a shortcut. The shortcut for getting on to goto is Control J, and we have it right here. And I'm going to go to special. So you click on the special option here. I want to find out only cells that have functions or formulas in them. So what I'm going to do is to click on formulas and press OK. When I click on OK, it selects these two, and these are the only cells with functions and formulas. In conclusion, we can say that a function is a predefined operation or formula built into Excel that simplifies complex calculations, whilst a formula is an expression that performs calculations on values in a worksheet. In other words, with functions, they are predefined already in Excel. With formulas, we have to create them. There are many kinds of functions that we'll be looking into. An example is what we've just used right here, the sum. We have the average, we have the product, we have the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, COUNTIF, COUNTA, among others, which we'll be looking at as the video keeps on moving forward. Thank you for now. This is all for this video. See you.